I'm with Mr. Rohit Bhale, business head, Quaker Houghton. What is the trend you are foreseeing in the machining industry at this IMTEX 2025?
Yeah, that's a good question. So, what we are seeing is that there's a lot of globalization impact which is coming through. So, what we see is that newer technologies being demonstrated across Imtex, be it the machine manufacturers, be it people like us who is into lubrication, be it the tooling industry, or for that matter, all the associated members here of the reason why I believe this is happening is that India manufacturing is going up on the global value chain. And that's where the Indian entrepreneurs, also the companies which are looking for China plus one strategy, are looking towards India and establishing their manufacturing footprints or increasing their manufacturing footprints within India or make India as a supplier hub for it. So traditionally, auto components was something where export was very dominating, and it is increasing. I mean, the fact is that $21 billion of exports is happening from India on an annual basis from few years back or a decade by only 5 billion or $6 billion. So this is an exponential rise, and we expect that to go up. Having said that, the other general engineering, aerospace, as well as I was very excited to meet few people who are into getting into semiconductor machining. And that's an area which was very eye opener for me to be part of IMTEX. So thanks to you, we got this opportunity to interact with people. And that's where we see that although so-called semiconductor is still was always a far-fetched dream from manufacturing side, but it has already started happening in India. And who knows, next Simtex probably we will also have to put across a special area for them to promote that kind of thing. So I'm very excited to see this. What also makes me happy is that India manufacturing is going up on a global table, as I may put.
What is the biggest highlight of the lubricant? What you have it here? Any key product which you would like to speak about from Quaker Lubricants?
So, what I want to bring to you, thank you for asking this question. And so, what we are focusing upon sustainability, that's our first and foremost goal. Now, sustainability is more of a marketing buzzword nowadays, but we don't want to. At Quaker Houghton, we don't want to believe that way. We want to believe on what today people believe that sustainability is something which is only cost. But for me, with our products, we can actually deliver savings to them, not just being green, but giving the hard cash saving. Like for example, we are demonstrating a cleaner where we have participated in two auto OEMs in India, two large auto OEMs, and we actually put across our product on their for their cleaning machines, cleaning solutions, and we were able to give 52 tons of CO2 reductions for them annually for each one of them. So that's like a huge CO2 carbon footprint saving. What they were doing is that they were disposing of these water cleaners in 1 month's time. We have increased that time to 6 months and more now. So it's running for 6 months plus. We have not yet disposed. So water saving. Water saving is a direct saving to your pocket. Energy saving because it is running on ambient temperatures, so you don't have to heat the uh, washing machines. So that gives you a lot of savings on power, which is another big money saver. And the the icing on the cake is the CO2 savings. So we are giving a greener planet, handing over a greener planet for our children.